Gas stations make money every time you fill up, so it's no surprise they won't tell you how to use less gas. But as a motorcyclist, you can beat them at their own game by riding smarter and taking better care of your bike. From the way you accelerate to how you maintain your tires, small changes can lead to big savings at the pump. These tricks can boost your motorcycle's MPG. After all, every drop of fuel you save is more money in your pocket and more miles of open road to enjoy. Number 1. Keep your tires properly inflated. Underinflated tires are a silent fuel waster. When your motorcycle's tires don't have enough air, they create more rolling resistance, meaning the engine has to work harder to move you forward. This translates directly into higher fuel consumption. In fact, riding on soft tires can burn significantly more fuel than riding on tires at correct pressure. The solution is simple. Check your tire pressure regularly and keep it at the manufacturer's recommended PSI. This one step will not only improve your gas mileage but also make your bike handle better and extend the life of your tires. Gas stations would love you to ignore your tire pressure, since low pressure means you'll be back at the pump sooner. Don't give them the satisfaction. Number 2. Accelerate gradually and brake gently. Every time you twist the throttle aggressively, you're essentially dumping extra fuel into the engine for a burst of speed fuel that could have taken you further if used more smoothly. Rapid acceleration and frequent hard braking are enemies of fuel efficiency. Instead, aim for gradual, smooth throttle inputs and anticipate stops so you can brake gently. This driving style minimizes wasted gas from jackrabbit starts and stop-and-go chaos. According to experts, steady acceleration and coasting to a stop whenever possible can significantly improve your mileage. Think of it this way. The less you force the engine to repeatedly rev up and slow down, the less fuel you burn. Not only will this secret save you gas, but your ride will also feel more relaxed, and your brake pads will last longer too. Gas stations certainly won't remind you to take it easy on the throttle, but your wallet will thank you if you do. Number 3. Shift up early and use higher gears. One of the easiest ways to save fuel that gas stations won't mention is using your motorcycle's gearbox to your advantage. Riding in a lower gear at high RPM burns through fuel much faster. Whenever traffic and road conditions allow, shift to a higher gear sooner to keep the engine RPM down. Your bike will maintain the same speed with less effort and fuel. For example, cruising at 50 mph in 5th gear will generally use less fuel than screaming along in 3rd gear at the same speed. Of course, don't lug the engine, but find that sweet spot where the bike is running comfortably in a high gear. By short shifting and avoiding redline RPMs during normal riding, you can stretch each tank full further. It's a simple habit that cuts fuel use, which is exactly why gas station owners won't advertise it. Number 4. Obey the speed limit. Speeding not only risks a ticket, it also dramatically increases your fuel consumption. At highway speeds, wind resistance is a bike's worst enemy in terms of gas mileage. Pushing a motorcycle faster through the air takes exponentially more energy due to aerodynamic drag. In fact, about half of your engine's power at highway speed goes just to overcoming wind resistance. So if you cruise at 75-80 mph when you could go 65-70, you're burning a lot more fuel to fight the wind. The faster you go above roughly 60 mph, the more your mileage suffers. The secret here is simple. Ride at a reasonable speed, and you'll go farther on each gallon. Keeping your pace steady and within the speed limit isn't just safer, it's a proven way to save gas. Gas stations would prefer you speed everywhere, but by easing off the throttle on the open road, you can slice your fuel use without cutting into your fun. Number 5. Cut down on idle time. Any moment your engine is idling, say, warming up excessively in the driveway, or waiting unnecessarily in a parking lot, is time you're getting 0 miles per gallon. Modern motorcycles usually only need a short warm-up, so don't start your bike long before you're ready to roll. When you do have to stop for a while, consider turning the engine off if it's practical and safe to do so. For example, if you're waiting curbside for a friend or stuck at a train crossing, shutting the bike off can save fuel. Many newer cars have automatic stop-start systems for this very reason, and riders can benefit from the same principle. Also, try to avoid stop-and-go routes when you can. Each time you stop at a light for minutes, you're essentially getting 0 mpg for that duration. The bottom line, A running engine that's not moving is just burning gas for nothing. Gas stations make money off fuel you burn while going nowhere, so reclaim that secret and kill the engine when you safely can. Number 6. Plan routes to minimize stop and go. Stop and go traffic is a fuel efficiency killer, and gas stations profit from all that wasted fuel. To turn the tables, plan your rides strategically. Whenever possible, take routes with fewer stoplights and less congestion. A longer, open road that lets you ride smoothly at steady speeds can use less fuel than a shorter route snarled with traffic jams and frequent stops. If you commute or run errands on your bike, try to do it during off-peak hours to avoid sitting in gridlock. You can also combine multiple errands or stops into one trip instead of taking several short trips on different days. Engines run more efficiently when fully warmed up, so one longer ride is more effective than many cold starts. Planning ahead also means checking traffic or construction updates apps and GPS can help you find an efficient path. Gas stations certainly won't tell you to drive less or smarter, but by riding wisely and picking better routes, you'll keep more fuel in your tank and more money in your pocket. Number 7. Shed extra weight and wind drag. Here's a secret about fuel economy. Lighter and more aerodynamic bikes use less fuel. Carrying around unnecessary weight or bulky accessories is like riding with a parachute. Your engine has to gulp more fuel to push against that extra load. Do an audit of what's on your motorcycle. Are you lugging around heavy tools or gear you don't actually need for the trip? Ditch the dead weight and save gas in the process. The same goes for wind resistance. If you have large saddlebags, a big top case, or a wide windshield that you only use on long tours, consider removing them for around-town riding. Anything that sticks out into the wind will force your engine to work harder. Even riding with your jacket unzipped or wearing a loose, flapping coat can create a bit more drag. By streamlining your bike and gear, you'll notice a difference in how far you can go on a tank. Less weight and wind resistance equals better gas mileage. Number 8. Keep your bike well maintained. A motorcycle in top running condition will always use fuel more efficiently than one that's neglected. Simple maintenance can lead to noticeable fuel savings. For instance, a clean air filter ensures the engine gets the right airflow. Fresh oil and a well-tuned engine also help your bike burn fuel more cleanly. Regular tune-ups and checkups can do wonders for your mileage. Gas stations definitely won't remind you about maintenance. They'd rather you burn extra fuel with an underperforming engine. By keeping your machine in shape, you'll use less gas and enjoy a smoother ride. Number 9. Use the right fuel. Fuel companies love to push premium gasoline, but using a higher octane than your engine requires won't improve your mileage. Many bikes run perfectly on regular unleaded. What does matter is fuel quality whenever possible, filled up with top-tier gasoline, which has extra detergents to keep your engine clean and efficient. A cleaner engine is a more fuel-efficient engine in the long run. Also, be aware that ethanol-blended gas contains a bit less energy per gallon, so if you have access to ethanol-free fuel and your motorcycle can use it, you might see slightly better mileage. The bottom line, stick to the octane your bike needs and choose good quality fuel. Gas stations would rather you spend extra or fill up more often, but fueling smart means you'll go further for less money.